Hello, good morning, guys. Actually, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite tutor, the Digital Ustaz. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a video to a prompt. A lot of creators do find it difficult to create prompt ideas for their videos. Examples of prompt ideas like creating a cartoon video, creating a whiteboard animation, using the newly launched tool called Tree. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can literally do this freely using the tool I created. I created a special tool that will allow you to create by just and you get it done. So before we get started, here is some of the ideas we are going to be creating. Here are what you can be able to do in this app. You can be able to create animations like using this tool. It will help you to create any video you wish to create by just adding the tool to the video to you, and it will give you the exact prompt to use for your video. So imagine creating a video advert for maybe a brand or company by just inputting this in your tool, and it will help you to do that. So let's get started. So the tool you are going to be using here is called VP. I name it video to prompt converter suite. This video to prompt converter suite will allow you to convert your video to a prompt by just adding the video idea, and it only accepts maximum of 100 MB video. That is, the video has to be a clip, not a long video, maybe just a short clip, maybe 8 seconds video or maybe 16 seconds video. Make sure it does not exceed the maximum of 100 MB, and this tool will help you to get it to analyze and give you the exact prompts to use for your video idea. And not only for video idea, you also have to that will allow you to also add image to get a prompt. That is, it will help you generate image prompt that you can use. Also have tool that will allow you to convert your image to a video. You just add your image and it will analyze based on the image to give you the exact prompt you can use for video creation. We also have tool where you can get daily prompts. This daily prompt, you can get daily amazing prompts that will help you to create video ideas. There's a lot of prompts here, thousands of prompts. You can refresh it whenever the idea is finished. You keep on refresh and it will give you some more amazing ideas you can use. And the suitable part of this, again, we also have tool that we give you template prompts, maybe for movie creation, for cartoon videos, for whiteboard, and for products. Looking for that, again, we also have the tool that explain how to use each of these tools. We have section that explain how you can use each of these tools freely without having any issue. It will show you step by steps to use and the pro tips you use when creating your video. So let's take a look at a simple example on how you can convert your video to a prompt. So in this first tool, you just upload your video. If you have a video clip, so go to your gallery and upload the video clip. It will analyze based on the video clip and give you the exact prompts to use when you want to create something like that. So let's take an example, like I want to recreate something like this now. So I'll add this to my video converter. So adding this video, so let's say I want to, this is what we call skits, like just like a cartoon video skit. So let's say I want to create something like this. I'll now analyze the video. So this tool will now analyze based on the video and it will give you the exact prompts you can use to recreate this kind of video using VEO3. So let's take a look at what I got. So here's what I got. A 2D cartoon animation showing a frustrated man at his desk. Then a helpful friend suggests using AI for email writing, symbolizing for. So you can see he just a kind of explain how this video look like. So you had want to, maybe if you want the person to speak in the video, you had want to add where to speak and where not to speak. I know we all know how to do this. So let's take example. I'm going to use Gemini to create this video so that we can take example to look how this video will look like when it is created in Gemini. So use the Gemini create video button, add this prompt and send it. So this tool now will now create your video for you. So let's wait and see the output of how the video will look like. Will this video look amazing, or is not going to be amazing? And is this tool actually doing the right job? So we all know here. So here we have our final output of what has been created. Um, by looking at this, you will see that we are on the way. You get the prompts to that generate similar thing to the previous sample we uploaded in the website. So let's take a look and play how.
Oh, wow, that's brilliant!
Hey, why don't you try using that new AI tool for the emails? It handles the writing automatically.
Oh, wow, that's brilliant!
So
Hey,
let's look at what we just created using this amazing video tool. It make it more easier than maybe asking ChatGPT or any tool, thinking to get how to get the prompt. And again, another feature you can try again is the feature of image to video. That is, you can add your image and get the prompt of the image. Let's take example like this logo. I want to get the prompt of this logo, so I'll add this, then I'll generate prompt. So this tool now will check based on the image, and you generate the prompts being used to create this logo. Okay, so let's wait and see the output. Okay, here we got our prompt the logo prompt idea. So let's copy this out and try it on Gemini to see what will be the output. So we copy the test the prompt. So move on to your Gemini and create this logo. So I'm going to using the Nano Banana Pro model to create this and see. So let's see the output. Will it look similar to the idea we uploaded? Here we know. Okay, well, I think we are almost done. The image idea will be surely avail itself now. So just look at what we have created. I've recreated exactly that same app logo. Like, I recreated the exact version of the app logo. Can you see the app logo? Can you see what we have recreated? It exactly similar. Okay, so this thing will also help you maybe when you want to create a logo for a brand, or maybe for your own company or anything. It make it more easier for you than maybe using some tools like Canva or something. It make logo idea more simpler, more easier. So the next two again we have, which is the image to video prompt. So I'm going to add the image here, and it will analyze to give me what kind of prompts can I use to create a video for that image. So let's say I want to add a challenge image. Let's say add this challenge image. So I will ask him now to generate a prompt. I can simply create video for this challenge. For example, I'm trying to create a video for this challenge. Maybe they give you an image that explains how this a video should look like. It will help you to analyze and give you. So can you see this SMS challenge animated journey? So it has gave me the what I'm going to create. Let's say animate the image by having the rocket launch upwards and emitting move. The dollar bills gently float down. So I'm gonna copy this prompt here and try this in VO3. Let's see what will happen when we add the image and the prompt. Will it give us the exact output as it was described in the prompt? So just paste your prompt here, then you add the image. Yeah, for those who are finding it difficult to use the image to video converter, like when you add your image and prompt, it will generate video for you. So I created this specially for you to make this more easier for you. So let's add this and see. So he now analyzed based on what the prompt's been given and the image. So it will create the exact video as described in the prompt. So let's take a look and see as it let's wait a little bit as it generates the video. Then the final tool again we are going to explore here again We have the where you'll be getting daily prompts where you don't need to even think of where to get the prompt. You have some amazing prompts here that you can refresh daily anytime to get whatever you want. Maybe you are creating a tutorial video, it will help you to create more tutorial video easier without even stress. Then we also have tools that will allow you to create movies, give you movie idea, the cartoon, the whiteboard, and products, maybe advertising a product, just like the smartphone video. And also the last two here is where you learn everything about this app, how you can use the app and how to prompt, what tools, like everything about the app. It make it more easier for you for your content creation. So that is all about this, and you can sign in. Yes, you can create an account, sign up on the app, log in, so that you can be saving your progress. Maybe when you have generated a prompt, and you would like to reuse that same prompt again at another time. So you can sign up so that you'll be saving all what you do. It will not be like you are just doing it for waste. Okay. So for example, let me log into my details to see. I think I'm mistaken something. Oh, I forgot my password. So let me sign up so that I will show you how it will look like. It's very advisable you sign up on the website so that it will make I'll allow you to save the progress of whatever you're doing when using this app. Okay. So let's take a look at this and see. So now I'll just sign up. I just log into the app. So whatever I'm going to be doing right now in the app, it will be saving. I can review and see them in my library later on. If you just come back to your prompt library to show everything what you have done so far and what you haven't done, you can check them. Okay. So whatever you have been doing, it will be saving. Let me just show you a simple example. For example, like this very one. So let's say I generated a prompt for this. So if I still need want to see what I recently do, I'll go back to my gallery and see. So in my gallery, let's okay. I haven't saved it, sorry. You have to be saving what you are doing. Sorry. I didn't explain this. When you generate or create something, you have to click on the save button to allow it save in your library. So that maybe if you still want to reuse this later, so you click on this save button. So you can even name it to with a name. Just name it with what you want to name. It will save in your gallery, like in the app gallery that you can reuse later. So come back to your library. So in the library you can see here we have it, the recent idea of what we created. So that is it. Let's check the video we created, the prompt idea. So here is the prompt idea, the clip I created. Can you just take a look at this? I'm making the image to be a kind of animated graphics. So that is what we did here. For those who want to maybe when you create a design, you want to apply a kind of all this graphic animation, you can do this. It make it more easier for you. So thank you very much for watching and see you in my next tutorial video.